welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share my everyday makeup look with you guys. I promise it's super simple. It takes me less than 10 minutes to do, and because I'm just using 6 products, it really doesn't take that long. Also, I don't like spending a ton of money on makeup, so this is very budget friendly. All the products that I'm using, the total is less than $50, so super affordable, but the products are really great quality. I've linked everything that I'm using, including the makeup tools, down below in the description box for you guys, but if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Again, this tutorial is very simple, very beginner friendly. I'm not the best at makeup, so this look is perfect, and like I said, affordable, and you get a great look. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial, and let's get started. Before I start my makeup, I always pull my hair back so that it's out of my face. This is crucial for me. Next, I like to use some moisturizer, and the one I use is CeraVe. It's one of my favorites, great for normal to dry skin. Step 1 of my makeup routine is my foundation, and I use Maybelline Fit Me. I use a damp makeup sponge and I put some of the foundation on the back of my hand, and then using the sponge I apply some of the foundation under my eyes, my chin, my nose, my forehead, so the key areas of my face, and then I really like to take my time with this step and make sure that I'm blending the foundation really well into my skin. The next step, I'm going to use my translucent face powder, and I know a lot of people like applying powder to set their foundation or their makeup on their whole face, but I actually only like putting this powder on under my eyes. I've noticed that this is where my makeup tends to crease the most. Next, I have highlighter. I love this highlighter. It is so easy to use because it's in a stick rather than it being a powder. And I just like putting this on the tip of my nose and just blending it in. It is super simple. I know a lot of people like putting highlighter on their cheekbones or under their eyebrows, but I just like it on the tip of my nose. Makes it look shiny and cute. My blush that I'm wearing, or that I like to wear, is this one. It's a very bronze blush. It's not super pink, which I like. I feel like it makes my skin look more glowy and tan and just adds some color back into my face, and I like this look more than pink tone blushes, so I really love this shade. This is the mascara that I use, and I've been using this mascara since freshman year of college, and I absolutely swear by it. My lashes are super short and straight, and the narrow wand of this mascara really helps me to reach every single individual lash, which is great. And as you can see here, I have a few different techniques. I really take my time with my mascara because I want to achieve maximum volume, and I make sure I get my lower lashes as well. Don't forget about the lower lashes. The last step for my makeup routine is lipstick. I talked about this actually in my last video, my what's in my bag video, and this is one of my favorite drugstore lipstick brands, you guys. It's so creamy and the color is just beautiful. It's a beautiful nude. It matches everything, so this is perfect for an everyday look. And it's shiny but not too shiny, so I just am obsessed with this lipstick. And after that, you can see I'm just taking my hair down. I also timed myself while I was filming this tutorial, and this look only took me 7 minutes. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate the support from all of you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss new videos that I put out. And I also have an Instagram at emita.maya, so make sure you are following me if you aren't already. And I just want to say thank you so much again for watching and for supporting me, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!